Good morning, students. So, your chapter number 2, number system, is finished. So, today I will discuss the assignment that are the questions from your book, question and answer from your book. So, exercise questions we will discuss. So, first exercise questions are fill in the blanks. So, fill in the blanks is the base of binary number system is. So, base of binary, you know that base of binary number system is 2. So, here answer will be 2. So this is the first one answer. Next one, the base of number system, so which number is decimal, the base of decimal, sorry, decimal. So the base of, sorry, the base of here will be, the base of decimal number system is 10. So this is the second one option. Octal number system consists of, you know that octal number system consists of 8. This is third one answer. So 8 digit, and you know that it is from 0 to 7. If you count, then this will be 8 digit. Next, in addition, 1 plus 1 equal to 10. So this answer is not given in your book. So the answer is 10. Number system is understood by the computer system. Which numbers are understood by binary number system? So this is the answer of fifth. Here will be binary binary number system. Next one, uses 16 digits from 0 to 9 and letters. This will be the answer. Hexadecimal, this will is the answer of 6 one. The answer is hexadecimal. This is hexadecimal. In binary subtraction, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So this is number 7 answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is missed, 5, 6, 7. So 4 answer is not given in your books. The answer will be 10. Next question, let we move ahead. You cannot uh, perform arithmetic operation in binary number. This is false. You can perform. You can perform. The decimal number system consists of 10 digits 0 to 9. Definitely this is true. Next question. The method to perform division of two binary numbers is not the same as the decimal number. So this is false. Division is same as decimal number. It is same as decimal number. So this is wrong. Okay, students. Next one. A multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Definitely it is true. 1 multiply 1 is 0. Charles Babbage introduced the concept of 0. No, the Aryabhat introduced the concept of 0. So this is wrong. Next one. The number used in octal number is 1 to 7. No, this is false. The number is used from 0 to, sorry, the number is used from 0 to 7. So that's why this is false. So I cleared the two things. The first one is that is true and false. Fill in the blanks. True and false. I cleared. Next, application based questions. Ratika's computer teacher has asked her to convert the octal number to decimal number. Suggest her methods which she should apply in converting octal number. So converting octal number to decimal number. She wants to convert octal number to decimal number. So how he will convert, he will multiply 8 power 0 by it will start from the right side. So the power is increasing from 0 to the till the numbers it have. So I already explained like this: 8 power 0 multiply 1 plus 0 multiply 8 power 1. Suppose my number is 0, 1, base 8. So you will multiply by this way, okay, and you will get the number. The teacher has given an assignment to Saurabh to binary subtraction. Saurabh has confused about how subtract 1 from 0. So students, let me tell you, 0, suppose you have subtraction like 0, 1 and 1 minus. How you will subtract it? Basically 0 minus 1, it borrowed 1, so 1 means it becomes 1 0. 1 0 means 2. The binary of decimal is the binary of 1 0 is 2, so 2 minus 1 is 1. Or here, what happened of here? Here it gives 1, and here will becomes 0. Okay, so answer will be 0 1. So this is the, as you normally see, 1 0 minus 1, so 1 0 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, so you get the answer 0. Okay, so so this one is the solution. Again, if you know this 1 1 0 minus 1, so how you subtract this one? So this borrowed 1, okay, this is borrowed 1, so what will be here? 1 0 1 0 means 1, 2 minus 1 1, here will be 0, here will be 1, 1 0 1. Or if you want to, if again here will be 0 and you want to subtract it from 1, so what happened? It will take 0 from 1 0, and it has taken here 1 is borrowed here, so 1 0 means 2, 2 means it is taken 1 again, 1 0 becomes 2, and here 1 1 minus 1 0, here will be 0, again here will be 0, and here 1 minus 1 becomes 0, and here 2 minus 1, the answer will be 0 0 1. So 1, basically 1 0 0, so 2 0 2 1 2, that means 1 0 0, the number is 4, and 1 1, so 1 means 2 power 0 and 2 power 1, so 1 plus 2, the number is 3, sorry, number is 3, so 4 minus 3 equal to 1. The same answer you also get if you convert this to decimal number 0 0. Next question. The question is multiple choice questions. Introduce the concept of 0. So who introduced the concept of 0? That is Aryabhat. I already said to you, Aryabhat. I think you people understood the concept how you will subtract 0 minus 1, 1 borrowed, it becomes 1 0, 1 0 becomes the decimal number 2, 2 minus 1 1, or here becomes 0. So 1, if you convert this 1 0 in decimal, so it becomes 2, and again 2 minus 1, answer you will be 1. Okay, so in the same way 1 0 1 double 0 minus 1 1, so 1 double 0 becomes 4, 1 1 becomes 3, 4 minus 3 equal to 1. In the same way, if you do is the binary, so 0 1 borrowed 1 0, again it will also borrowed 1 1 0, so 1 0 means 2 2 1 borrowed, it becomes 1 1 minus 1 0, here will be 0, and here 2 minus 1 equal to 1, so answer will be 1. So this is the answer. Next question. A converts the decimal format into its binary equivalent. So digital computer convert it in the binary form. A computer understood only the which language? Binary number. Next question. To convert decimal number into binary number, divide the number to decimal number into binary number. So convert by 2. Answer the following. Explain number system and its commonly used types. You will definitely you can explain it. What are the rules to convert decimal number into binary? You can do. What are the rules to multiply two binary numbers? You can also write. Briefly explain the octal numbers. So you can also write this one. What do you understand? The octal number, you can also write. So these questions is written by you. Okay, these answers is written by you. So I hope that uh, you will do your solution. And one questions it also remains. You will also complete this one activity session. So there are some numbers and some conversions are required, so you will do that conversion also. So students, do my homework, and from the next class I will start the next chapter. The chapter number is name is chapter number is 3, and the name is computer virus. So thank you students for watching this. Thank you.